Alright guys, we're here at the Country Club Hotel, now the Regalia, down at the Lake of the Ozarks. I really just stopped in here to get a update and see if I could get on the famous elevator. Wasn't really planning on doing a full hotel update, but man, this place looks rough. Like, I've got to take a little bit more of a look around here. So what you're watching now, I'm actually shooting this after I went in and looked at the elevators. I'll put it all in some kind of order later, but I really just wanted to do a little drive around here. It's kind of a strange vibe going on. There's like a bunch of sort of sketchy looking people that are kind of having a party at the pool. Other than that, I mean, this is pretty desolate here. Parking's all empty. Man, look at this condition that this building is in again. Unreal. This place really looked like it was going to turn around for a minute. That sounds healthy. Oh, look at the weeds back here. Wow. Even the condition of this road is pretty awful. Got some rusting bus back here. Got a dumpster. There's what at one time was the indoor pool. I don't think this thing has been operable for many years at this point. Got a rusting AC unit and some garbage piled up. Some cars parked here for some reason in the grass. Back side of the building. Not looking great. Rust all over the place. Some electrical and telecommunications boxes there that are just a wreck. Now we're getting into the condos again, which are separately managed, but there's a deer. I need to go up to my spot up here, I know, where I can kind of sneak into the old tennis courts and get a look at the back side of the pool. Wow, they got full-size trees growing in these things now. Just look at the condition of this. It's like a whole ecosystem growing in here now. Like a derelict playground, and weirdly some bounce houses over there. Coming into the hotel's main parking lot here. Man, this looks rough. Weeds everywhere. A couple of what appear to be abandoned cars. Got one here with a flat tire. What's even happening over here? Wow. So here's that weird overflow parking. It's pretty much just overgrown now. What were they thinking when they put this in? This doesn't even look like a functioning place. Just like the overgrowth in here. So this is an old tennis court, not that you'd ever know it. What is even... Man. What are those, old bounce houses? struck out again. This place really is not looking so good. Wow. We are officially 1 for 3 running here. Last elevator in the building that works. Let's see how this one runs. It's got a nice loud fan now. Credit where it's due, this old thing is still trucking along. It's actually running pretty well. Really the only thing in here is just that only 2 of the lights work, and they're mismatched at that. Wonder what happened to that other car.